Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to check your current Facebook password. The first thing you do is, from your phone, tap on settings. Now most times when we save this password, they get saved to our Google account. So the best thing to do is to access your password manager through the settings. So tap on search, tap on password manager, and then tap on password manager, and then you go to Facebook. You can see Facebook over here. You have two accounts, so you tap on it and then go to access your current Facebook password. Of course, we have to authenticating that you are actually the one trying to access it, because it will prevent the account from being accessed by someone else, an unauthorized user. So it's as simple as that.